Mistral AI expanded its Le Chat platform with over 20 new enterprise MCP connectors, also introducing memories for persistent context and personalization. Connectors plug Mistral into CRMs, ticketing systems, and databases, so companies can run Le Chat inside workflows. Memories let the model recall past interactions and preferences, producing faster, more relevant replies that feel human. Visual: overlay enterprise logos and a chat that remembers a customer's order. Why it matters? Persistent memory plus deep integrations make chat models actually useful for support, sales, and internal tools, not just demos. Expect faster deployments and better ROI? This could be the enterprise inflection point for chat AI. That was your AI News Short with Jerome W. Dewald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about persistent AI memory in the comments. Give this video a like, swipe up for the next short, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News Short.